Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Bburago model. It's the Ferrari California TAF. TAF stands for Turbo, and this is the anniversary livery. So we are going to take a look in this model car today. Of course I've already opened it before, but basically I haven't really removed the seals, and I only opened the outer box. So today we are going to unbox it and take a look together. It is a very nice model car and very detailed, and I'm very happy that I have it in my collection. So you open it from here, and it's like the previous Ferrari boxes that we opened, with a plastic base. And of course here we have all the models of the series. Today we were going to take a look in this one. This one is gonna be in the next videos. This I made already a video, and this also is gonna be in the next videos, in the next couple of videos. So those two models coming up soon. But today we are going to take a look in this one. So let's take it out from the box. As you can see, it has a standard plastic protective cover with a plastic base. Very nice looking. And now we are going to take it off the base. So for this model car, Bburago uses plastic seals like this, no rubber, no stickers. So I'm gonna remove all of them so we can take a look at the model car. So now that we removed the plastic seals, let's proceed with the review. So many of you may have the California TAF version, the normal version from Bburago and Maisto, and this one here, it comes only as Bburago model, and also it was sold in the official Ferrari store in the section of the scale model cars. So that was nice. And basically this particular model here, the difference with the stock model car is the livery, of course. The seats, in this model the seats are blue color, front and back they are in blue color. And also another big difference is the wheels. For those that you don't know, the stock version of this model has these wheels here. So basically it has this 5-spoke wheel, which is also bigger in the back and smaller in the front as a dimension. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a small difference in the height. So yeah. So basically this model is the 70 years anniversary of Ferrari, and it has this blue stripe in the middle and the number 14. I like the fact that the white sticker around the number is a little bit of yellowed. It's not completely white. And you can see here also the badge that says 70 years. So overall, it's a very nice model car. I think it looks beautiful. I like the silver color on this car. Looks nice. I think I've seen some pictures online, and the actual model doesn't have chrome grille. It has a blacked out grille, and only the logo is chrome. And also, this is the closed top version, so we have the pieces of the roof missing from the back. If you ever buy the open top version, you will see that the roof is retracted inside. You see some pieces of the roof inside here. So without the roof closed, there is some trunk space, not a lot, but there is some trunk space. That's nice. I've seen many of these model cars. They usually don't have many imperfections. The suspension works nicely, the steering wheel works nicely. Sometimes maybe you see something like this, which is nothing. It's easy to fix, to remove this water transfer blue color here. It is a minor thing. But anyway, it looks very nice. And the engine also looks very nice. I will open it for you to see. It has this plastic lining underneath the hood. And the engine is very detailed, as you can see. It has the logo here. It has this thing which is silver. I don't know what that is. You can see on the engine head. It's in red color. The headlights also are very detailed. Overall, it is a very nice looking car. The roof is of course all metal, and the body, if you buy it the open top or the closed top, the body is the same. The only thing that changes is this here and the pieces of the roof that they are in the trunk. The body is shared, so basically this part is separate. It has two things in the front and two in the back that holds it. So when it's convertible, it has a different piece here separate and a different section here for the glass. The closed top, it's a unified metal piece. So that's something that I know, and I thought that some of you may find it useful for modification purposes. And for the interior is also very nice. It has a good level of details, and you can expect that for a model car that is sold also in Ferrari online store. It has to have a good level of detail. You can see that we have the screen in the center console, and we have nice silver details here and there. For the price point, the level of detail is satisfying. I would be more happy if the steering wheel had more details, and also they had the 3D logo at the back. Since it's an anniversary model and limited edition. But anyway, underneath you can see the exhaust pipes that look very nice, the diffuser, but overall there is not much to see. Here you can see all the characteristic of the model. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found it useful. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.